everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, consider hitting like, comment, and subscribe. So in this video, I want to share with you all my typical breakfast smoothie. I like to start with almond milk. I shop at Aldi, but really any almond milk that you prefer will work. I don't measure anything, so just a splash of milk will work. Next, I add an entire container of yogurt. This one happens to be a 6-ounce container in strawberry flavor. I thought being a stay-at-home mom would mean that I could have pancakes and eggs every breakfast. Boy, was I wrong. Next, I add in my fruit. This is a tropical blend with pineapple, strawberry, mango, and papaya. Again, I don't really measure anything. I just kind of pour to my liking. Right here, I'm adding in some elderberry drops. This is labeled kids black elderberry, but there is a recommended dosage for adults as well. Next, I'm going to add some flaxseed meal, because I cannot stand the texture of whole flax seeds. After adding the flaxseed meal, I add in some wheat germ. I normally don't just have these ingredients lying around, but a couple of weeks ago I made some lactation cookies, so I thought I would just add this to my smoothie. Lastly, I add about a tablespoon of honey to sweeten up my smoothie. I have a really bad sweet tooth, so I went ahead and added a little bit more honey for an extra punch of sweet and flavor. After all the ingredients have been added, it's time to take it to the blender. Using this single serve cup, I have found that adding my liquids first and my solids second make for the perfect smoothie. I get the perfect consistency and everything is well blended. Say thanks for watching.